We're here in New York City, live from Washington Square Park, and today we're going to be doing some credit trivia to find out just how well New Yorkers understand their credit score and their credit report. I got $500 on me right now, and I'm looking to give all of it away to each and every single contestant that we bring onto the show. So the rules are simple, right? For every contestant we bring on, they're going to get asked 3 questions, and for every question they get right, they'll win $20. But for every question they get wrong, they don't get nothing. I'm super excited to be getting into it, so without further ado, let's get it going. So right now we're here with
Matt,
Pilar,
Nor,
Chia, Kara, Liz.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how great do you know your credit?
like a 9 or I'd say 9.
10 being a lot, like comfortable, and 0.
Well, there it is. All right, well, hopefully you can get one of them right and win you some good money. Are you ready?
Okay.
So the first question is, the name of the 3 credit bureaus are Experian, TransUnion, and...
No idea. Experian, TransUnion, Transperfect, or... Yeah, I don't know.
I don't know. I told you I don't know.
Equifax.
Boom, there you go, $20. One and done. Just like that, simple. What is the highest possible credit score that you can have?
Let me just think.
850?
Boom, there you go, $20.
But multiple choice.
I beg your pardon?
I have a multiple choice.
720?
Higher, I'll give you one more chance.
1,000.
Is it 900?
I'll give you one more chance. It's a little bit lower than that.
870.
It was 850. Okay, so you got 2 more.
It was in the 800.
You should never let your credit card utilization go above blank percent.
50%.
You want to try?
20%?
I want to say it's 20%, but I think it's less than 20%.
Above 100%.
30%?
Boom, there you go, $20. One, two.
I cannot believe this. This is so fake.
No, it's real. You can check the money. It's real money, ladies and gentlemen. True or false, getting a hard inquiry on your credit report will decrease your score.
A hard inquiry?
Decrease.
Yeah, but so true or false?
True.
Boom, there you go, $20.
False.
Hard inquiry. Yes.
No, is it true or false?
Oh, true.
There you go, $20.
I want to say true.
There you go, boom, $20 right then and there. That's real
Thank
money.
you so much.
A late payment can stay on your credit report for up to how many years?
A late payment? 10 years? Forever?
That I wouldn't know because I don't have any late payments, but I would say maybe less than 1 calendar year or 1 calendar year max.
I give you full faith, and I will let you.
2 years?
Higher than 6.
8?
Boom, there you go.
Thank you.
True or false, a student loan is a credit account that can appear on your credit report.
That's true.
Boom, there you go, $20.
Yes.
I would say true, but I don't know. True. I'm going to say true.
There you go, that's it.
True.
Boom, there you go, $20.
Hell yeah. I'm a student.
Appreciate it.
True.
Boom, there you go, $20.
There
you go.
Yeah.
After a day filled with hugs, free money, and a whole lot of credit trivia, all in all, I would definitely consider the experience a success. But there was still one more person that I needed to quiz before we could wrap everything up and go home.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, so that almost concludes the Credit Trivia New York City edition video. There still is one more person I need to interview, and that person is actually the cameraman. So cameraman, question number 1, for anybody that's watching this video right now that enjoyed the content, what should they do right here and right now?
I think it's like and comment for the YouTube algorithm.
See, there you go. That's 20 for you right there, cameraman. All right. Now, question number 2, if they want to see more content like this in the near future, what should they do after that?
Pretty sure it's subscribe and hit that bell notification.
This man here, he's on one, ladies and gentlemen. He's on one. Okay, now last question for the big 60, right? Okay, now, and this is an easy one. Who is the best personal finance YouTuber in the game right now? Come on, say it.
Graham Stephan.
What?
Graham Stephan.
What are you talking about?
That dude's amazing. His videos are fire.
I'm saying, bro, you're supposed to say me. That's what we discussed before.
Oh, I thought I was answering honestly.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning in. Marvin Francois checking out. Peace.